Hello friends, we are back with the beautiful nice hairstyling videos, and this is how two ponies, after creating that, we are making beautiful plaits. One is done and similarly we will do the other and take out small parts of the hairs like this. From front it's a pattern that we have given, and now we are trying to make a nice bun look after rolling the hairs like this, and it's a party wear. Now it's another hairstyle that we are going with, and this is how after making a nice pony we are making the plaits rounded, and this is yet again a beautiful hairstyle that we are making, and this is slowly we are trying to make the plaits rounded. This is how we can make and repeat the entire steps as we can see here, and this is how we are trying to cover the entire plaits till the length of the hair. This is how it is going, and this is how we are making a beautiful looks over here, and this is again a beautiful plaits look that we are trying to make here, which can be used as a nice office wear, and it goes nice with the casual wears like when you are going to office or when you are going for any casual meetings. This can be one of the beautiful hairstyle which you can put on, and this is yet again a beautiful lovely plaits. Now it's time to create another hairstyle, and this is how we are taking these small parts of the hair and trying to make some pattern below in the middle, and this is how we are putting the remaining hair and making a nice bun over here, clutching it out and giving this beautiful shape with the help of left out hair from the front part that we have made like this, a nice beautiful look over here. This is how we have made such a nice party wear bun look over here, and this is how you can hairstyle your own hair when you are going out for any party or for any outside dinner. Now it's another beautiful hairstyle that we will go with, and this is how we have made such a beautiful plaits and taking out the small parts of the hair. This is how we are trying to roll around. After creating it, it makes a nice party wear bun. Now we'll go with the another hairstyle, and this is how we are tying two ponies and we are putting the hair inside that, so that after creating this nice bun look, it goes something like this, and this is beautiful two plaits that we have made. Now we'll move on with the next hairstyle, and this is how we are creating our own beautiful plaits over here, and this is after taking out the small parts of the hair. This is how we will make a nice bun, and this is yet again a different shape of bun that goes here. Now we'll move on with the next beautiful hairstyle, and this is how we are taking the small parts of the hair, trying to make this beautiful plaits rounded, and this is taking the remaining part, we are making again plaits over here, and this is yet again a beautiful hairstyle, and this is how after combining the two we are making a nice beautiful bun and tying with the matching clip.